Welcome. If you're tired of your phone vibrating every time you get a support request notification on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable vibration for these notifications, step by step, so you can enjoy a quieter, less distracting experience. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you can control all the apps and notifications on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on the section labeled Apps. Here, you'll see a list of every app installed on your device. Find and tap on Instagram. This will open up the app-specific settings for Instagram, where you can customize how it behaves on your phone. Inside the Instagram settings, look for the option that says Notifications. Tap on it to access all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Now you'll see a list of notification categories. These categories let you control exactly how you're notified about different activities within Instagram. Scroll down until you find the category labeled Support Requests. This is the one that manages notifications when you receive a support message from Instagram. Tap on Support Requests. Here, you'll see several options for how you want to be notified. Look for the setting that says Vibrate. If the toggle switch is turned on, your phone will vibrate every time you get a support request notification. To disable vibration, simply tap the toggle switch next to Vibrate so that it turns off. That's it. From now on, you'll still get notified about support requests, but your phone will stay silent. No more unwanted buzzing. This quick change can make a big difference, especially if you're looking to minimize distractions or keep your phone as quiet as possible during the day. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might also want to take control of their Instagram notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.